Hi children, today we are going to learn supplementary reading, page number 109. Take your textbook, notebook and whatever stationery you require to the class. Supplementary reading, Suvarna Siddhi and Chakradhara, written by Vishnu Sharma. Since it is supplementary reading, it has not given any important about the author. And moreover, the importance of supplementary is to make you understand comprehension, and moreover you have to read by yourself and understand this comprehension. That is the main idea behind this supplementary reading in your textbook. Okay, let me give you a small hint about this lesson, why you have to read and why you are going to learn about this. This lesson gives a moral how revenge will be a way to their own demise. Okay, revenge, how it will kill us only. Okay, that is what we are going to learn. Here in this, you are finding one of the very important character that we will see in this lesson. Suvarna Siddhi told the story to his friend Chakradhara. Okay, these are all Suvarna Siddhi and Chakradhara. Both are very important character in this lesson. Okay, so Suvarna Siddhi is telling the story to his friend whose name was Chakradhara. A big strange bird, Berunda, lived on the banks of a lake called Sangama. He had two heads and single body. One day, as he was wandering on the banks of the lake, he found a fruit which was delicious and ambrosia. One of his heads mumbled, "Oh, what a fruit! I am sure that heavens have sent it for me. I am so lucky." Okay, Berunda is a bird where you can see two heads and one body. Okay, he found this bird, a big strange bird, found a fruit. A unique bird whose name was Berunda. This Berunda was lived on the bank of a lake. What is the name of the lake? Sangama. He had two heads and single body. You might have seen an emblem also like this, isn't it? Okay, this is the story about that bird. Okay, one day as he was wandering on the banks of the lake, he found a fruit. When he was wandering, he was walking from one place to another place just for time pass. He found one fruit which was very tasty, delicious, as how it was ambrosia. One of his heads mumbled, "Oh, what a fruit! I am sure the heavens have sent it for me. I am sure that this is sent from the heaven only for me. I am so lucky. By eating that fruit, one head will be very happy and it will tell by himself that I am very lucky to eat this type of fruit." Hearing this, the second head said, "Oh, brother, let me also taste the fruit you are praising so much." Okay, in our second bird is also very happy, and he wanted to know. He wanted to know the taste. He wanted to taste it. Because of that reason, he is praising to the. Even he wanted to taste and eat it. The first head laughed and said, "Both of us have the same stomach. It makes no difference whether I eat or you eat." Okay. Oh no, you have only same stomach. Both of us we have same stomach. If I eat also, you will have same taste. No need of eating. I myself eat, thinking that it will not give. I shall give it to our beloved. She will be very happy. I will not give you, but I will give to my beloved. Who is his beloved? She. Who is she? Wife. Okay, Berunda Das gave the fruit to his wife, Tati Lata. What is the name of the wife? Tati Lata. The second head was disappointed at what the first head did. The second head did not like. Why? Because he did not give the share of the fruit to him. Instead, he gave to whom? Tati Lata. Who was Tati Lata? Wife. He was waiting for a chance to take revenge. By saying that, he was waiting 100% chance to take a revenge. One day, the second head found a poisonous fruit and told the first head, you torturous fellow, for what you have done to me, I will eat this poisonous fruit and avenge your insult. The first head said, you fool, if you eat, the both of us will die. Okay, here the second head wanted to take the revenge. Because of that reason, oh fool, I will take revenge by eating the poisonous fruit. He will tell to the first head. But the second head tried to explain to him that don't do that foolish work, because if you eat, no doubt I will die, even including me, you will die. Try to explain. Ignoring the first head's warning, the second head ate the poisonous fruit and both of them died. Okay, wanted to show this, wanted to take revenge. A second head will eat the poisonous fruit and both the heads, and that means Berunda, both of them they will die. After listening the story, Chakradhara said, friend, what you say is true. You can go home, but don't go alone. Okay. Now what he said, now this is the story telling to one friend to another friend, isn't it? Now he is afraid. Now what he is telling, but you don't go alone. That is what he tries to explain. Okay, now let us see what will happen next paragraph.